with your game, pop your shit, say something pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the leg none, and they all think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These fat bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will be making a crochet beret hat. We're going to be making it in the colors yellow and orange. So we're going to start off with our magic circle. I think everybody should know how to make a magic circle. If you don't, then that means you haven't been watching my videos, because I teach how to make a magic circle so many times, especially in my beginner videos of how to crochet. And here we are. So we're going to make a magic circle. We're going to chain 2, and then we're going to put 12 double crochets into the magic circle. And I'm going to be changing colors. You don't have to, you could just use one solid color, but I will be changing colors. And this hat that I'm making will be on my website. So now I think I had too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I did one too many. So now we're going to close up our magic circle. This is what it looks like. If you make hats, then you already know this is what the magic circle looks like. You can also chain 4 and then slip stitch, like how I'm about to slip stitch right now, into the top of my first double crochet, and then that's also closing up the circle. We're going to chain 1, and then I'm going to be cutting the string. So here's my second color, and here we're going to start our first row of increases. And if you know, you know. You're going to just, some people chain 2 and then make their first double crochet. I'm just going to chain 1 and put a double crochet in, and then I'm going to put another one, and I'm going to do that one more time just to show you, and then I'll meet you guys back once you're done with this row. 2 double crochets, and we're going to do that all the way back to the beginning. Okay guys, so now we are on round 3. This is what round 2 was looking like. Now we're on round 3, so we're just going to slip stitch back in, and we're going to just follow the increase pattern. If you make hats, do you know what it is? If you don't, then I'm going to show you. So once again, we're going to put our double crochet in, and then the next one is the increase for round 3. We're going to put our double crochet in and then increase on the next one. And if you tuck your strings as you're going, you won't have no problems at the end. If a little piece is sticking out, you can just cut it and it will be secure. You don't have to worry about anything coming loose. So we do 1 double crochet, and then we're going to increase. Okay guys, I'll meet you back once you're done. Okay, so now we're on to round 4, If you know how to make hats already, you can just go up as big as you need it to fit, cover your whole head. Just think about how the beret sits on your head, and if you like, okay, I want it to be extra slouchy, extra big, then you can go 7-8 rounds. I believe I'm going to be doing today 7 or 8 rounds as well, but I'll let you guys know. So if you want more, do more. If you want less, do less, depending on how big you want it. So you can skip this part of the increases if you would like, if you know how to make hats already. If not, stay, because I'm going to show the beginning of every round, and then I'm going to do the rest of the round off. And just showing the pattern. After this round, I will be going, I think I'm just going to go to the 7th or 8th round. Okay, so we're going to put our double crochet in. And then because we did 1 and then double here, we're going to do 1 double crochet, and then we're going to do another double crochet in the next one, and then we're going to put 2 into here. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. So that's the pattern for round 4. When you get to round 5, you're going to put 1, 2, 3, and then 2 double crochets. When you get to round 6, you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 double crochets. You're just going to keep increasing until you get to the amount of rows that you will like for your hat. Okay guys, so once you have your 8 rows, this is 8 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And once you're done with your increased rows, so no matter how many rows you've done, this is 8 rows, this is what it looks like. This is the top, this is the bottom. I am going to now do 2 rows of just double crochets, 1 double crochet in each, 1 double crochet in each chain or stitch rather. So we're gonna take our orange yarn, because we're doing our stripes, and it's very self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna sit here and show you guys how to do 1 double crochet in each thing, but come back once you have 2 rows of 1 double crochet in each stitch going around. Okay, so now that you have your 2 rows of non-increases, which is this one and this one, so that'll be row 9 and 10. Then now you're going to start on your decreases. I'm going to show you how to start that off for row 11. And here we go. So you're going to slip stitch in, or however, if you're just using one color, then you're already slip stitching in the previous round. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 4 double crochets, 5, 6 double crochets, and then we're going to make our first decrease. So we're going to go like we're making a double crochet. We're only going to go through 2, and then we're going to go again like we're making another double crochet. We're only going to go through 2, and then we're going to go through 3. Once again, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to go up. There's 3. We're going to go through 2. We're going to go again, yarn over, pull up. There's 4. We're going to go through 2. There's 3. We're going to go through all 3. And that's our second decrease. So I'm going to do it again. Double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna go in, pull up, 3 loops, go through 2. 2 loops is left. We're gonna yarn over, pull up a loop, 4, go through 2. There's 3. Now we're gonna go through all 3. And that's our third decrease. And we're gonna do that same thing all the way until we get to the end of the round. I will come back once I'm done. I'll show you guys one more time. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Decrease. And now, meet me back once you're done. Okay, so now that you did your first row of decrease, we're going to move on to the next row. And we're going to make our double crochet after we slip stitch. So we're going to do, last row we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the decrease. Now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to put our decrease. And I'm going to do that again. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to decrease. I'm going to show you one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decrease. And you know where your decrease lands because how your decrease should look, because it should be 2 double crochets together with 1 chain above them. So go ahead and finish that out for the remainder of this round, and we will meet you back once we're ready for the next round. Okay guys, so now that we're at row 13, we're going to do another decrease with the orange. So same like before. This is a very fast hat to make. This is a very easy hat to make. And just imagine if you're using one color. It looks a little blurry. Okay, so we're going to put our double crochet in. So 1, and I've been tucking my strings as I went along this whole time. So 2, 3, 4, then we're going to decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease. So that's going to be the pattern for row 13. You're going to do 4 double crochets and then you're going to do a decrease. And basically, this is what your hat should be looking like by now. You can see that when you turn it over, it'll get like the little beret look. See how it gives a little slouchy vibes. And you decrease, so it'll start coming in. And the more you decrease, the smaller it will get. And then it'll sit on your head a certain way. And if you want to do extra rows, you can, and make it look however you want to make it look. Then that is totally up to you. But after this round, I will be done. And I'll show you guys how it look once I am finished. So come back once you're done. Or if you decide to decrease more, come back, you know, after that. And we'll be back soon. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. This is what the hat is looking like. You can fix it, adjust it however you like. You can do about 4 or 5 rows of maybe half double crochets to bring it down, or 4 or 5 rows of double crochets, single crochets, whatever you want to bring it down. Make it look a little bit more puffed up, like it's sitting on top of your head. And you can bring it as low as you want. You can bring it as high as you want. It's all up to you. You can bring this down in the back. Obviously, if you have hair, you want it to be a little bit more slouchy. And the eyelashes are courtesy of my daughter. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and come back for more tutorials. Please check out my beginner tutorials. If you are confused about anything, please check out those videos and tell me what you think. If you need more detail, let me know. And we're out of here.